guys, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great, having a fantastic day. I'm here with my boys, my fiance, and we are on our way to Reno, Nevada for my son's cardiology appointment, and we are going to hit up the first spot that I ever flown FPV. We're about halfway there. We're going through Stockton right now. We got to head over the hill. I'll get some shots in as we're going over it. Hey, I hope you guys are all doing great. Thanks for hanging in there. And this was like my first little vlog here, so we'll see how this goes. Guys, we are getting into Reno. Guys, that's where we're staying, the Grand Sierra Resort. Alright guys, we have arrived at our destination, the Grand Sierra Resort, Reno, Nevada.
3H.
Parking 3H. Alright, we'll remember it. Oh, we are here, finally. Oh my goodness. Get the family out, do our thing. Main stuff we need, guys. Can't leave home without it. The good old low pro. I got everything in there. A couple mini quads, the DJI setup, everything's in there. We're good to go. I love this bag, I swear, guys. If it's one thing you should save up for and invest in if you've been in this hobby for a while, is an FPV bag. I swear by that thing. Alright guys, we just got our room keys. We are headed to our room 18. Alright, 42. What's going on? Why did this happen?
Thomas, come back! Thomas!
Come on, get in here, bud. Get in here. You need to stay in the elevator. We almost had an escapee. Alright guys, we got here just a couple minutes ago. My battery died as we were coming in. I was trying to get a shot coming in. But here's our little room for the evening. We have arrived. Oh, thank goodness. So we're going to go grab some dinner. We'll get these kids settled in a little bit. We get some dinner because it's really late. It's after, let's see, what time is it? Come on, watch.
Okay.
8:22. So it's pretty late. So we're going to get some late dinner. And yeah, I'll go over my FPV bag here, maybe tonight or in the morning, whatever. I'll get some shots here. We'll break that thing open. Then we're gonna go hit the, got a doctor's appointment, gonna get some breakfast, and we're gonna go hit the first FPV spot that I've ever flown at. morning. All right, Raider here. We're kind of just getting up and at 'em, kicking back. I've got my hey Travis, come here, bud. Got my boy Travis with me. Austin's with his mom at the cardiology appointment, and I just been kicking back, catching up on some videos. Let's see what we got going on.
Morning, happy Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday, yeah, Bear. All right, so catching up on some of our videos. Dr. Drone, Ice Hat, Wendell, we're Bama. I'll catch up on you guys' videos while I'm sitting here in the hotel room. We're gonna go get some breakfast, and we're gonna head show you guys the room real quick, and then yeah, we're gonna get ready to bounce here. Probably about an hour. Let's take a look outside, see if anything's going on. There's part of Reno. Pretty cool. It's a cool little town. It's not bad, you know. Everyone just thinks it's like gambling and stuff, but there's a lot of healthcare stuff here. There's no state taxes. Property taxes are really low, so that's why a lot of people are like moving from California to here and stuff. Let's zoom in on over here. So you see some old buildings out there. But yeah, we're not near like the main casino area or anything. This is off the outskirts. But anyway, hope you guys are having a great morning. Said we're gonna go grab some breakfast after this, and we're gonna go hit up the little spot that I started FPV at. Hope you guys are all doing great. What's up, guys? We are here at Peg's Glorious Ham and Eggs. All right, we're gonna get some breakfast, and they're gonna drop me off at my little swine spot, and then they're gonna hit up Walmart and stuff real quick. I'll give you guys an update on Austin's cardiology appointment. It didn't go so good. I'll do that at the flying spot. All right, guys, talk to you soon. What's up, guys? Here we are at the spot. All right, let's check it out. Here's my old spot, guys. We got this big hill up here. Had plenty of fell safes over here. It's just a big open fill. I'll do the full little 360 so you guys get a kind of an idea of where it's at in vicinity of everything else. A little bit of traffic sometimes. Looking at it. All right, so we're gonna rip a couple packs here for good time's sake. I'll show you guys what's in the bag, what we got going on. You can hardly see my screen, it's so bright out here. All right, so we got the tripod, we'll get that set up. Got our, what do we got? The H3, brought the Beetle. Got a few packs, I only brought like 5 or 6 because short on time. Stuff for the goggles. I keep the DJI antenna things up into this spot. So down here is all the DJI radio gear. Got the radio and the goggles. All right, I'm gonna get this stuff set up and we'll get in the air. All right, guys. All right, guys, let's get the Transtec Beetle in the air. Away we go. My old stomping grounds. I've had so many fail safes behind this little hill over here. I'm not going behind it. So this is where I learned how to get into acro and just kind of, I started out with Horizon, you know, practicing, and got my chops in this little spot. I'm not used to flying it now that I kind of know how to fly a little bit. So my son's appointment didn't go so great, guys. So they're finding that one of his valves is now leaking. He was born with hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, which is a very rare heart condition. So we had to go back in 4 months. We're thinking about changing his medication, and we're looking at possibly another surgery for him. So a life-saving surgery. So got a lot on my mind. If I seem a little stressed out the next few weeks, guys, you know what's going on. My heart is, it's aching. I spent like an hour in the hotel room just bawling my eyes out once I got the word. So I got a lot on my mind. FPV just kind of helps take me out of it, you know. Hopefully it does the same for you guys too, for whatever shit you guys got going on, you know. Life just sucks sometimes. I want the best for my boy, and I don't want to lose him. And that's what we're up against every day. So I fell safe back here a couple times too. I didn't realize how low you could get. So we're just cruising, guys. I don't even know how many packs I burned here. Started off with a Hubsan, then I flew my DJI drones out here before I got an FPV.
tested out the Maverick and Spark. And then my first drone was a Walkera Furious F215. That was my first quad. I did my first punch out right in the middle of this field, right about here, where I'm at right now. Standing in the middle of the field. I about shit my pants, guys. I had a 4S pack on, first time I ever flew in 4S, and I just gunned that shit like that, and it went flying. You know, we're only on 3S here with a little quad. This is a full on 5-inch. You know, I was just blown away. I was hooked instantly. That was it. Hello there. And the weird thing about flying a spot like this is, like, a lot of these bushes and stuff, they'll kind of fool you as far as where they're at, because there's so many little elevation changes here that you don't really see until you're down close to it. It's not like a regular spot. This is it. This is where I learned it all. Got started. Down here, a couple fail safes. This is where I started messing around with radios to get past fail safes before I even heard of Crossfire. I didn't know what Crossfire was. Crossfire is like a movie or something. I didn't even know Free Sky was Free Scar. I just usually spelled it out. You know, I didn't know how to pronounce the shit. Brand new. Been heckled by quite a few people. Get your fucking drone out of here. Keep on flying. Don't give a shit. Haters gonna hate. Haters gonna hate. I'm just doing my thing. Yeah. I love this little Beetle. It's a great quad. Oh shit, we're in the red already. Oh poop. 10-4. Alright, man, I just wanted to show you guys a quick flight here. I'm gonna probably fly one or two more, but I got the family waiting over for me at the store, so probably not much. Let's see where I should land at. How about right here? I don't want to hit myself. We'll just go back here. That's it. Okay. Turtled itself. Alright guys, hope you're having a great day.
Alright guys, we are on our way home. Heading through the Sierra Nevadas. It's so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at these trees and stuff. Coming through the mountains. So we've got another 5 hours to go or so. We'll be home. Lady's got a little Michael Jackson on. She's a Michael Jackson fanatic. Oh my goodness, dude. I can't get away from it. Alright guys, we're just rocking and rolling. I'll give an update soon when we get like halfway over the hill. Alright guys. What's up guys? We are at the rest area, taking a little rest break. Austin's here is playing with his little vacuum. Pretty nice here. Hope you guys are all doing great. Alright, we're gonna get back in the truck, head out. Whew.